If you insert a straw into a lemon and move it back and forth, you can extract the juice without even picking it. If you want to peel a peach easily, make a small cross on the fruit using a knife. Immerse it in boiling water for 40 seconds, then in a bowl of ice water. Thermal shock will peel automatically. If you insert a straw into a date, you will be able to extract the core neatly and serve them more elegantly to your guests. If you crush a lemon with the palm of your hand and plant a toothpick, you can squeeze it without getting it everywhere. If you want to peel a mango easily and cleanly, cut it like in the video, make grid-shaped cuts on each part, then turn it over like in the video. Your guests will be surprised by the presentation. If you want to peel a cucumber in an original way, take an empty can, cut off the top, make a cut like in the video, then turn the cucumber as if it were a pencil sharpener, and you will have a beautiful cucumber garland. If you want to pit cherries quickly and neatly, take an empty glass Coca-Cola bottle. Place each cherry on the neck of the bottle and use a Chinese chopstick or a similar object to push out the pits. They will all be stored in the same place.